Hey guys, it's me here, and today I will be showing you my Airsoft bunker. That's what it's called. And yeah, it's been a while since I've been back here, but yeah, this is it. Nothing much, not that fancy. Of course, someone's been back here again. But that did not fall down because someone's back here. That fell down because we had a huge storm a couple months ago, and I was just too lazy to do anything about it. My hand. But yeah, it's nothing that fancy. Here, let me go outside and show you what it looks like from the inside. Yeah, we have a little box. Yep, someone's been in here. There used to be a lot of Airsoft. There used to be my friend's Airsoft container in there, but that's gone. And we're not friends anymore, so he probably took it back. Look, here's like makeshift thing that we had before. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. See ya.